There is a market within us. Our emotions move in cycles, just like the markets. In this chaos, the real trade is the calmness within us. For us traders, Om is not just a chant, it's a rhythm. The rhythm of breath, the rhythm of awareness, the rhythm of trading, with three key elements. The inhale, the moment of entry, intentional, focused. You choose, you trust, you act. The pause, stillness amidst volatility. You hold, you reflect, you endure. The exhale, the release, the closure. You accept, you learn, you are ready for the next. At ASTA, we practice not to fight the market, but harmonize with it, like a Tapasvi aligns with the cosmos. Because for us, market is God, and trading is tapasya. With practice, process becomes part of me, and I become the process. Aham prakriyasmi. I am the process.